Want to speak real Cantonese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at CantoneseClass101.com.
Hi everybody, Olivia here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I'll answer some of your most common Cantonese questions. The question for this lesson is, how can I advance in Cantonese learning without living in Hong Kong? You can immerse yourself in the Cantonese environment by reading, listening, writing, speaking, or watching everything in Cantonese. Let's first explain what immersion is. Immersion is one of the methods in language learning by being submerged in the environment that speaks the target language. Learners are forced to read, listen, and speak often in the target language in this situation. One of the best examples of immersion is to live in the country or city in which the target language is one of the official languages. Let's see some tools for achieving that even when you can't go to Hong Kong for long periods. The easiest way to accomplish immersion is to play audio or video materials in the target language as much as possible in your daily life. Keep in mind that the brain absorbs the knowledge more effectively when the learning is listening to the material intentionally. Other than audio and video materials available online, learners can join language exchange sessions for face-to-face conversations or make use of language apps to study the culture and background of the target language. Naturally, if you're lucky enough to get in touch with someone from Hong Kong in your country, try to make friends and to have conversations with them in Cantonese as much as possible. How was it? I hope you liked this series. See you next time. 下次見